Is this giving you scissor realness? Like, for the weekend, you that 9 to 5 on the weekend.
Here we go.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Venti XO coming to you with another video. And today I'm coming to you live and ball to bring another wig review for you. So today I'm going to be reviewing hair from Nadula hair. So this is the packaging, super cute. Comes with instructions in the back. I feel like this is the cutest box I've gotten in a while. For a while, everyone was sending me the same kind of boxes, the same pink boxes with their little name on it, and it seemed very generic. It didn't seem to have any personality, but I feel like this box has a lot of personality. So the hair comes packaged like this. You take this out, that's the hair, of course. It also comes with lashes, the wig cap. Oh, this has a little a little thank you card, and where you can find Nadula hair. Now, I've seen some reviews from Nadula hair before, like I've seen, you know, other people review it, people that I follow and stuff like that. So I'm very interested to see how this wig company measures up to my faves. So this is how the hair looks. It's super tight curls. Really tight curls. These look like Jerry curls. These look like Jerry curls to me. But I'm not mad at it. Hate when they do that. Like, why is this straight? I want it to be curly all the way through. Like, it's curly all the way through and then I stop and it's straight. I don't like that. Yeah, it has baby hairs, you know, basically bangs, but that's cute. It's cute or whatever. This is how the construction of the wig. So it's giving you deep parting space, you know, but there isn't that much parting space on the sides, like 2 inches there. So yeah, but you got all the party in the middle, which is fine with me because I do shift my wigs to the side, left, right, side to side, whenever I want a deeper part. And then it comes with 3 combs, so we'll comb on this side, the back, and the other side, and of course your standard adjustable strap. Ooh, she does feel really soft, but these are Jerry curls. Are these not Jerry curls? They look like Jerry curls to me. They look like Jerry curls to me, right? But it does look like they tried pre-plucking it a little bit. You see that? You see that? Which is good. Less work for me, but I still gotta pluck. So what I'm gonna do is pluck off camera, do my little shebang, and I will come back to you guys all ready, done up and everything, and yeah, it'll be great. But I'm kind of worried. I'm worried. I'm not gonna bleach the knots. I want to see if I can just plop this on and go. I'm gonna test my skills. I'm gonna test myself because I feel like I haven't tested myself in a while, and yeah, I'll be right back.
Let's go.
I really like this hair. I feel so luxurious with this. I feel so crazy cool. I feel so cool with this hair like this. The length is 16 inches. I'm gonna put all the hair to the front so y'all can see. It's very thick. There's a lot of hair to work with. I would not wet, you know, not gel. I would not use mousse on this hair to like weigh it down to make it like, you know, water wavy. Like, I don't know what y'all do. Y'all be slicking y'all hair down. I don't do that. I don't like doing that all the time, especially when it comes to hair like this. Like this is going to be my cool girl hair. Like, Even from the side, she's gonna be cute, like, yes. But I do like the bang movement, and I feel like with bangs and curly hair, you can really get away with not laying down the edges because you can't see it. You can't see it. And as you can see, this looks a lot better brushed out. I didn't like the curls that it came with. It wasn't my, you know, style per se, but I do like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. The hair feels so soft. I'm like running my fingers through it. It's not getting stuck. I mean, it's getting a little tangled. I mean, it's curly hair, but like it feels so soft and lightweight, even though this is 150% density. And you can tell, ladies, you can tell. You trying to be a little hipster. You trying to look cute. Trying to be that girl, okay? This is the hair for that, and it's only $122, $123. So what are you doing? Spend your coin. I am definitely going to leave in the description box whether or not this hair holds up. Now, I kind of suck at updating my description box, you know, for every single hair that I do, but for the new year, okay, I'm gonna add this to one of my New Year's resolution. I am going to update every single description box that I have a review for hair at least, and I will give you the tea on all the units because there's a lot of them that are just failing me right now, so I have a little bit of a grudge. So I'm definitely going to be updating those boxes, those description boxes. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave me a thumbs up if you liked what you saw and you saw what you liked. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's going to be down in this corner right here. Join my little familia, get a little familiar with me, and yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.